you want to move or copy cell attributes and want to place it in another location, then the simplest way is to use the cut, copy or paste command in Excel. So hello and welcome to Excel in Excel. In this video, we are going to learn how to cut or copy and paste data in Excel. So let's get started. I have a data set here from which I want to copy the list of unique industries and paste in this column. So how would I do that? Is select the data I want to copy, go to the clipboard group in the Home tab and click on the copy option here. As soon as you select the copy option, you can see the border has changed. So this means your data has been copied. Go to the destination cell and click on the paste command in the clipboard group. So once you click the paste option, you can see your data gets pasted. Another way you can use to copy the data is select the data you want to copy, right click on the data and click on copy option. Go to the destination cell, again right click and click on the paste option, and that would paste your copied data. The easiest way we have to copy the data is using the shortcut Ctrl+C, and that copies your data. Go to the destination and paste it again using the shortcut Ctrl+V. So this is the most preferred method of copying and pasting the data in Excel. Till now we have seen how to copy a single cell data. But what if you want to copy multiple cells at the same time? So how could you do that? Is select the multiple cells, use the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy it, go to the destination cell, use the shortcut Ctrl+V to paste it, and that would copy all the data in the multiple cells. Now, if you want to copy the data in non-adjacent cells, like you want to copy these two and then you want to copy these two, how would you do that? Select the data you want to copy, press the Ctrl key and again select another data that you want to copy. So once the data gets selected, use the shortcut Ctrl+C to copy it. You can see these two cells and these two cells are copied. Go to the destination cell, use the shortcut Ctrl+V to paste it, and that would copy the non-adjacent cells. So we have learned how to copy the data. Now let us learn how to cut and paste the data in Excel. So let's say you don't want the range of cells to be in this particular sheet and you want to transfer it to the new sheet. So how could you do that? Select the data you want to cut and paste. There are three methods by which you can cut the data. That is, either go to the clipboard group and click on the cut option, or right click on the selected data and click on the cut option, or use the shortcut Ctrl+X to cut the data. So I would use the shortcut Ctrl and X to cut the data, and now this border specifies that the data has been cut from here. So let's go to the new sheet, select the destination cell where we want to paste our data, and you can paste using the shortcut Ctrl and V, and that would paste your data. Now if you go back to the first sheet, the data has disappeared from here and been pasted in the next sheet. Next option we have is the Format Painter option. So if you want to copy the format of this cell and apply it to this particular cell, you can do that using the Format Painter option. So let's say I select the cell of which I want to copy the format. I click on the Format Painter option, go to the next sheet, select to which I want to apply the Format Painter, and that gets applied. You can see it has picked up the same format as the previous data. So this is all about how to cut, copy, paste and use the Format Painter option in Excel.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to the channel for instant updates. See you in the next video.